Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the game, enable API services, open server script service, and create a new script named Data Leader. You require Data Store service at the top and declare a Data Store name and Leaderstats key. Once done, create a function that builds Leaderstats. Instantiate an int value named coins under the player, set default value, and parent it to the player. Make sure to connect player added to this builder, so every joining user receives a leaderboard entry immediately. Next, focus on the core load and save. You use Data Store service, get Data Store with a clear scope, and wrap all Data Store calls in pcall to catch errors. When player added runs, attempt to get a sync by user ID. If nil, initialize defaults. Once loaded, assign values to the Leaderstats objects. For player removing, collect values into a table, JSON encode if needed, and set a sync inside pcall. Also add simple retry logic with small waits to handle transient failures and respect request limits. Finally, finalize behavior and harden the system before release. You add sensible defaults, debounce frequent changes so you don't write every frame, and use update async if you need atomic increments. Once done, test and play solo with API services on, inspecting output for pcall failures. If Data Store errors occur, log the exact error, back off with increasing delays, and retry a few times. Permanent failures should surface to a monitoring system. Make sure to remove any client authority over Leaderstats values to prevent exploitation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.